They offer industry-leading pediatric orthopedic care for children, regardless of a family's insurance status or ability to pay. Here now with us and sponsoring our segment this afternoon is Dr. Scott Luhmann, the Chief of Staff at Shriners Children's St. Louis. Welcome, Dr. Luhmann. It's good to have you here with us.
Well, it's nice to be here. Thank you.
Absolutely. Tell us a little bit about what you and the team do over there in St. Louis.
Well, the Shriners Hospital over here in St. Louis is one that is dedicated to pediatric care, musculoskeletal problems, which is orthopedic problems for kids under the age of 18. We specialize in all areas of the body, and it is a hospital which, we take care of kids regardless of their need or their ability to pay. So it's a very different type of a hospital than you normally would see. We don't have an emergency department. We don't have other services. There are other types of problems. So we really specialize in musculoskeletal problems in kids.
Now, you're a spinal surgeon yourself, right?
That is correct.
Awesome. Now, tell me a little bit about how important good spine health is in kids.
Good spine health is really crucial to the long-term function of the spine. And what is important is that we see kids at a time when there's concern either from the parent or from their primary care physician so that we can intervene at an early point. We have multiple non-surgical treatment methods, and those are much easier for the family and the child long-term than having surgery. So we like to get these kids in at an early time point to assure that we maximize their overall function, both short-term and long-term, because significant deformity when the kids are at the end of their growth can significantly impact their long-term function with pain and their ability to be gainfully employed. So we like to intervene early, and certainly if we ever have to doing surgery at an earlier stage at a lower magnitude is much safer and more likely has a very good outcome. As you see here in some of the pictures, we do use some advanced techniques at our hospital, which is one of the things that sets us apart. We use not only the routine posterior spinal fusion treatments, we have halo gravity traction program, which has been at our hospital for many, many years. This is a treatment we use in individuals who have significant spinal deformity and allows us to safely correct their spinal deformity before we ever have to get to the operating room. But not only fusions, but we do a lot of other really groundbreaking surgeries where we can improve spinal deformity yet not fuse the spine. And those are things called tether or other distraction constructs, which are hopefully going to really change the paradigm for the way we take care of kids to be able to straighten out their deformity, give them good function, but also maintain their motion for the rest of their life.
Oh, that's incredible. I mean, you mentioned early detection being a key factor. Is there a difference between just how children respond to these type of procedures versus how adults respond?
Well, there's a big difference. And the kids are amazing in that they recover so much faster than we do as adults. They regain their muscle strength, their range of motion, their function so much faster than we do as adults. Their healing is an amazing part of it. And whereas in adults that we may not heal very frequently from spine fusions, kids, it's almost 100%.
That's incredible. Well, we're almost out of time here. I do got to ask, though, if a parent has a question about their kid's spinal health, what should they do?
Well, they can either get in touch with us at shrinersstl.org, or there's a QR code which you're going to show, which they can put their phone to that and read that and then connect with us, and so that we can try to help them get into our hospital as soon as they wish for care.
That's awesome. Yeah, I see we have the QR code up, and if you want to learn more about Shriners Children's St. Louis, we're going to also connect you at ciLiving.tv. We appreciate them sponsoring our segment this afternoon. Dr. Luhmann, thank you so much for being with us.